Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to space for honest, expert beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into a unique product that goes beyond typical beauty tools, the KEIKI Massage Salon Tattoo Chair Esthetician Bed. This multi-purpose, 3-section facial bed promises to deliver comfort and versatility, whether you're offering massages, facials, or even using it for tattoos. Let's break it down and see if it truly lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the design. This bed is as versatile as they come, offering everything from full-body massages to facials, and yes, even tattooing. The adjustable features ensure it can be customized to fit various treatment needs, which is a must-have in a busy beauty or wellness setting. I was particularly impressed with how easily it adjusts, especially considering its multi-purpose nature. The adjustable headrest and footrest are huge selling points here. During testing, I found these features to be especially beneficial for comfort. Whether you're performing a relaxing massage or a detailed facial, the ability to adjust both ends of the bed means you can position your client for maximum relaxation. This is key for making your treatments more comfortable and, of course, ensuring that your client enjoys their experience from start to finish. Another thoughtful touch is the facial cradle and removable armrests. The removable head cushion easily transforms into a facial cradle, which is perfect for face-down treatments. This feature is especially useful for facial treatments and even mani-pedis, allowing your client to relax without any unnecessary discomfort. The removable armrests also add flexibility, as they provide more space for the client and for you to work comfortably. What really sets this chair apart is its hydraulic stool. It's not just any stool. It's adjustable, has 360-degree swivel capabilities, and features a faux leather cushioned seat. Whether you're moving around your client during a facial or prepping for a massage, this stool ensures you can glide around smoothly and without any obstructions. I loved how easy it was to shift from one position to another, making the workflow during treatments that much more seamless. Now let's talk build quality. The heavy-duty steel frame is definitely one of its standout features. It's sturdy, durable, and built to last, even under the pressure of frequent professional use. The faux leather upholstery looks and feels luxurious, but the best part is how easy it is to clean. This is essential in any spa or salon setting where hygiene is top priority. As for real-world testing, I found this bed and chair combination easy to integrate into my routine. Whether using it for a full-body massage or a facial, it provided enough comfort and flexibility to adjust according to the specific needs of each treatment. The setup was simple, and it didn't take much time to get everything in place. However, the bed is on the larger side, so it may take up more space than some smaller alternatives. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product is a solid investment for any beauty professional. Considering the high-quality construction and the multifunctionality, it definitely justifies its price. I've seen other similar products in the market, but the versatility here really stands out. Let's talk about alternatives for a moment. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable, there are some chairs and beds that offer similar features at a lower price. However, the KEIKI massage chair offers features that many of its cheaper counterparts lack, like the high-grade frame and its ability to switch between multiple purposes without compromise. If you're a busy salon owner or esthetician, this might be one of the few pieces of furniture worth investing in. In terms of durability, this bed feels built to last. The frame and cushioning hold up well, even after extensive use. I've used it for several weeks, and everything still works as intended. There's no noticeable wear or tear, and the smooth faux leather still looks pristine. It's a solid piece of equipment for anyone looking for longevity in their beauty tools. If you're someone who's looking for efficiency in their beauty treatments, this chair delivers. It's incredibly functional, offering flexibility for a variety of treatments without compromising on comfort or style. The adjustable features and sturdy build make it a strong contender for anyone in the beauty industry. Before I give you my final thoughts, if this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss another honest review here on Beautyistic. So after using the KEIKI Massage Salon Tattoo Chair, here's my verdict. This product is a must-have for beauty professionals looking for a sturdy, versatile piece of equipment that can handle various services. Whether you're offering a relaxing massage, a facial, or even tattoos, this chair can adapt to meet your needs. The adjustability, comfort, and quality materials make it a top-tier choice. If you've used this chair or have any thoughts about it, drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you're ready to invest in one, you can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.